Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of front-end optimization by implementing load-on-demand and lazy loading in custom dropdowns using JavaScript. So, what exactly are load-on-demand and lazy loading? Load-on-demand is a technique where data is fetched dynamically as the dropdown is interacted with. This means that initially, only a subset of data is loaded, and additional data is fetched as needed, optimizing the performance and reducing unnecessary data transfer. On the other hand, lazy loading is an optimization technique that loads content as the user scrolls down, reducing the initial load time and memory usage. This ensures a smooth and responsive user experience, especially when dealing with large data sets. Now, let's dive into the implementation. In our example code, we have a custom drop-down interface with the necessary HTML structure. We've set up event listeners to toggle the display of the dropdown and handle lazy loading when the user scrolls through the list. We use the Fetch API to asynchronously fetch data from a remote source, and then render the fetched items into the dropdown list dynamically. By tracking the scroll position, we trigger additional data fetching when the user scrolls close to the bottom of the dropdown, implementing the lazy loading technique. To further enhance your understanding and implementation, be sure to check out the additional references provided in the article. They cover topics such as the Fetch API and the Intersection Observer API for more advanced lazy loading scenarios. And that's it. With load-on-demand and lazy loading, you can significantly improve the performance and user experience of your custom dropdowns. Don't forget to check out the GitHub repository linked in the description below for the complete code and resources. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!